Hello everybody. Tonight I'm making tuna melt. So I'm gonna use one big can of chunk light tuna in water and one small can of chunk light tuna also in water. They're different brands, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna mix them together. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain the water. I'm going to drain the water from the tuna. And I'm going to slightly rinse it with cold water. This is the only way to do this with your hand. My hands are clean. And shred it. Okay, so since it's not that much tuna, I'm gonna use a small onion. I'm gonna dice it. Okay, so here's the onion all chopped up, and we're gonna put it in here. Okay, so I'm gonna put 3 sticks of celery. They're all not the same size, but I will do it. So the celery is chopped. I took off the end of the white part of the celery, like I always do, and in it goes. Okay, so I have some bread and butter chips, pickle. So I'm gonna chop them up, a few of them, and put them in the tuna. Okay, so I'm gonna put like about 10 bread and butter sweet pickles. So here we go, the pickles, the sweet pickles. I had a few limes left over here, a few slices of lime. So I'm gonna squeeze them in there. They're not very big. Just slices, small slices, before they go to waste. But they don't go to waste. They'll even, what I do is I put them through the garbage disposal, the small little pieces like this, and it gives it a really nice fresh citrusy smell. Okay, and we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic, just a tiny bit. Okay, we're gonna put some yellow mustard. That should be good. Okay, some ketchup. And you put as much as you want or as little amount as you want. The ketchup, because of the sugar that it has, it kills a little bit of the fishy taste of the tuna. Mayonnaise, mayo. Gonna put 2 good spoonfuls. So the mayonnaise, we added the mayonnaise, and also gonna add some pepper. I don't put salt, but I do put pepper. Lots of pepper. Put a little bit more mayo. But the thing is, I like to drain the tuna of all the water that it brings because it has a lot of preservative, and then I rinse it. And then I squeeze the water out. Okay. Sometimes if I'm not making it as a tuna melt like I am this time, I like to put cranberries in it, and I put nuts, I put almonds. Maybe we can put some almonds. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna put some almonds in there. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of almonds, sliced almonds. I mean, if you don't like almonds, you don't have to put them. Okay, so let me taste it and see if we need to add a little bit more garlic or maybe a little bit more lemon juice. Let me just taste it. It's very good, but I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic. The garlic powder. And like I said, you can eat the tuna. You don't have to eat it with a tuna as a tuna melt. You can eat it with pita or with anything you like, or with crackers, with anything you like. Yeah, I don't like to put too much mayonnaise. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so the grill is already heated up, the George Foreman grill. So what I'm gonna do is the bread is not toasted. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on both sides of the bread. Yeah, my hands are getting all full of butter. Okay, we put it here. Done. We do the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna put one slice the tuna. The other slice of cheese. I use Swiss cheese for this. Okay. This tastes really good on sourdough bread. Okay, I'm gonna leave it a little bit more so it gets nice and crunchy. Okay, so that is it. It is ready to go. My tuna melt with Swiss cheese. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Bye bye.